Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LIFX Energy Analytics Premium, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the LIFX website in your preferred web browser. Locate the navigation menu on the home page. Click on the Products section to explore the available options. Scroll down to find Energy Analytics. Click on the Energy Analytics option to view its features. Look for the premium subscription details on the product page. Read through the benefits of the premium subscription. You will be redirected to the subscription page. Select your preferred payment method from the options available. Enter your payment information accurately. Provide any necessary billing details as instructed. If prompted, create or log into your LIFX account. Fill in the required fields to create a new account if necessary. Review your subscription plan and payment details for accuracy. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your subscription is successful. Check your email for a confirmation notification from LIFX. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email if needed. You can now access the premium features of LIFX Energy Analytics. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the analytics tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.